In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing information, making a chart, or just trying to spice up your document's layout, tables can be incredibly useful and flexible tools. We will start from scratch and walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can make the most out of Google Docs' table feature. To start, head over to the Google Docs website. Once you're there, either open a new document or an existing one where you'd like to insert your table. If you're already familiar with the Google Docs interface, navigating around should feel quite intuitive. Now let's dive into adding a table. Look at the top menu of your document and click on Insert. This is the section where you generally go to add items like images, charts, and naturally tables as well. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Table. A prompt will appear asking you to specify the dimensions of the table you wish to insert. For today's example, let's create a table that is 5 columns wide and 1 row deep. To achieve this, drag your mouse over the table grid that's visible in the drop-down until you've highlighted the section that represents a 5x1 table. Click to insert it, and just like that, a table will materialize in your document. With your table in place, it's time to format it to meet your specific needs. Begin by clicking on Format in the upper menu. This menu holds various options to adjust and personalize your table. Look for the Table option within this menu and click on it. Next, choose Table Properties. A new window will open on the right side of your screen, providing a selection of options to customize your table. Within the column settings, check the box for column width. Here, you can type in a precise number to alter the width of your table columns. The columns will automatically adjust as you enter the numbers, which is quite handy if you're aiming for a precise or uniform look for your table. Additionally, you can adjust the thickness of the table borders. This adjustment can significantly impact how your table visually separates from the rest of your document. Locate the option to change the border width and modify it to align with your preferences. Now proceed to populate your table by inputting numbers or text into each cell. Finally, if you prefer a more polished and clean appearance, you might consider changing the border color to white. This effectively makes your borders disappear against a white background, which can enhance the prominence of your text if that's your aim. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a table in Google Docs. With these tips, you can now tailor tables to fit your specific needs and preferences.